welcome back to Mama Lori's Kitchen. We're going to be making an Italian crescent ring, and I went ahead and prepared one already, and I'm going to show you how to make one. First thing you do is you're going to put Pam spray on the pan, and then we're going to take crescent rolls. Okay, when you open the package, put it down, and you want to roll it open. Okay, and then you want to take each piece and tear it off so we can make the ring with these. Okay, and to make the ring, you want to place them down and you want them to overlap each other, just at the corners, just like this. Okay, I finished preparing the ring. This is what it should look like, and now we're going to start adding the meat. The first meat that I'm going to be using is ham. Okay, so I just roll the ham, each slice, and it's going to go around the ring. I used Boar's Head Simplicity brown sugar ham. You could use any ham of your preference. Okay, and then I'm going to go around one more time. To make a second layer. And then I have Genoa salami. And you can just fold each piece, and I'm just going to go around one time. And then the next meat is going to be sandwich pepperoni. Okay, this is Boar's Head sandwich pepperoni, and then we're going to just take a slice and just make one layer going around the ring. Okay, and then next we're going to do, this is Boar's Head prosciutto. I'm going to wrap that around. Like that. Then you're going to top it off with Boar's Head Lacy Swiss. Okay, take fresh basil and place it around the ring on top of the cheese. Okay, this is basil pesto. I'm just putting some on this one. The other ring that I made doesn't have it because I have half my family members who like basil pesto and some that don't. So once again, this is an option, whether or not you want to add it to yours or not. It just gives it a nice flavor. Okay, then you're just going to take each piece of the crescent roll that's hanging on the sides, fold it over like this. And then in the middle, just separate it by closing it off and making a circle so it holds everything in. And then I'm going to top it off with some butter on top and some everything bagel seasoning. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm going to take some butter and we're going to melt the butter now. Okay, I'm going to take the butter. And then we're going to take everything bagel seasoning. And I'm just going to slightly put a little bit on where the crescent bread is. Like so. Okay, and I have to do my other ring too with the butter. Okay, so the oven gets preheated to 375 and I'm going to cook it for about 10 to 12 minutes. I'm just going to go ahead and make sure that it's lightly brown and that all the dough inside also evenly gets cooked. That's why it's really important to spread it out and not leave it as a glob in the middle, because then it doesn't cook correctly. So as long as you do that, everything should be done and ready to go within 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, I sliced it into pieces like this so you can pick up. If you like, you could always put something in the middle, and you could put any kind of dressing that you would like, or sauce or anything for dipping, so when someone could just pull the piece apart and dip, or you could just serve separately and put it on a plate like this. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for subscribing, and for those who haven't, please do like, comment, and can't wait to see you guys on the next video.